Alright, so I got the body separated. Did a bunch of work on the belly. Had all kinds of cracks, holes. Did some major extensive nose work. Wire screen mesh melted in. Took Legos, melted it with acetone, made a paste, spread it on with a paintbrush. And then went through and took that leak seal spray paint, sprayed that. Had to fix the belly tunnels. Major crack at the back. Major side corner holes. Went through and did the screen mesh on the top side. And then took the frame out. Got the frame all sandblasted and painted. Really rusted. So hopefully I'll be all set when spring comes.